So let me ask you a personal question. Off the record, between you and me. What do you want me to do with Ray Marcus?
Well, what can you do with him?
Anything you goddamn like.
I thought you said it.
Listen. I got nothing to lose. I'm not gonna let this asshole DA fuck up my last case. I'm also not gonna stand by and watch a murderer go free. I've seen too many sick fucks like Ray Marcus get off over the years. Now, are you willing to go outside of strict procedure on this?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Hernandez here.